So I am making a humble appeal to the Election Commission of India, or whichever body that makes the decision for the voting process in India. Kindly, please allow us to vote with our Aadhaar cards or our passports. That makes it so much easier and simpler that you present your thing and then you know that you're an Indian citizen and you get to vote. Here, literally, people are fighting and, going berserk over there because they have their IDs, but their building number, the survey doesn't have their name on the list. They're saying if you're not on the list, then you cannot vote. I think that's the most, basic deprivation of your rights to vote. Everything you need comes to your address, right? Like your passport is delivered to your address, the verification is done at your address, everything is done at your address. Then why are our names missing from the list? Please help and let us vote so that, this. So I really have an appeal. Why do we have Aadhaar cards if we are not, considered as citizens enough to vote? Your Aadhaar card is your identity that you're an Indian citizen and you should be able to vote with that. But when you go to the voting counters in your building, the booth that has your building members on it, everyone is there except like people who are actually living in the building. So people who've left the building, they are still on that list. I've seen it myself. And if my mom, my husband, everyone is registered on that building name, none of us are there. So how does one vote? We go with the Aadhaar card, our ID proof, they say no, you cannot vote. So I'm just making a humble appeal that on the basis of your Aadhaar card, you must be allowed to vote as an Indian citizen. Everywhere you go, whether you go to the bank, whether you go to the airport, whether you go to the hospital, whether you go anywhere, your Aadhaar card is asked to be presented, right? You are always giving your Aadhaar card. And now, there is no Aadhaar card, being used for voting. I don't understand that. I mean, it makes no sense. If you are an Indian citizen and you are presenting your Aadhaar card for every important thing in your life when you're running around in India, whether you're going to hospital, banking, here, there, everywhere, why not at the voting counters? Why are we being denied our right to vote just because your list of the survey that you've done doesn't have your names? And it has names of people who are not even living in the building. They have left the building and then they say it was this year's survey. It cannot be because they've left the building 3 years ago.